Sae anamona bali bagente koligia amasomo n'ekisemi nigo bagente gosegetwa banyakoba bakoligia obosemi korwa ase chisukuru chobubundi na manene mono kwemuka chikosi chobubundi ekina chiranya kwa chikoba konya sama tukale bosio aya niganyara ko kwanwa mono mworokia omonene bwesukuru ya obubundi ya Nyamira Technical Polytechnic uyo manyikathabu na James Baswetu muna gutumanya muri kito Fatigadi December
tigato chamo toreta abana to the technical institutions basome erinde banyore chigasi
oyo no mworokia omonene bwesukuru yububundi ya Nyamira National Polytechnic asereta James Basweti oyo ogendereire kubwatuka esegeto igoro yobuya bukwegera chikosi aho chamaboko egento nonye nabo eserekari enene eyo ekorawa no Moske William Ruto egendrete ko achinguru mono
and I'm happy to be associated na Nyamira National Poly because as twanyorete yarenge na abanafunzi 1600 bonoiga twaikire abanafunzi 3850 nande goiko mutienyo yo gatano nkorenge na twaso goika abana karibu 5000 as a country ebwate technical and skilled manpower industrialization yakoba rahisi na Kenya we want it to be a first world industrial country eyo eranyarekana wetera asogo train aba Kenya komanya industrial skills indi bajikoba involved as production both in the industry, in agriculture and many other sectors.
Kukwanira igoro yemeremo maiga ya masomo aya ase chisukuru chebobundi nigo umwarimu oyo iga aene kiribuna emeremo nerororo nonye nase chinse chisiko nabo igo chinsemu aho ime yense ya Kenya
nabo igo Kenya bono iga we are one of the countries to export labor. We export labor and it is in high demand in many of the European countries and American countries. Eidogoroka a program ya Kasi Maju igekurusia aba Kenya gaiga bari baetire through technical institutions bagenda ngumbu bagikora kigazi kirekire highly paying in the industries and also in the agricultural sector and in so many other sectors. And then to realize ringa abana baito akera bakogenda ba train as a tea industry kuna one of the tea industry mbali ko inya gukora kurora na mwana gukore course yajaiga igakonyore gas direct.
Esukuru eyiga ya Nyamira National Polytechnic ere na borokiwa gwetania chiribu isato nechimya isama isato nigo korwa ensemo ya borokiwa anene abarai besukuru eyiga babwatukire enkwana eye kubwatikana na masomo ayo babiri bakonyora korwa esukuru eyiga ya Nyamira National Polytechnic.
The relationship between the administration and the students iko sawa because the grievances wanafunzi wanatoa kutoka huko chini zinasikizwa. Let me talk about the modularized situation. We had a lot of challenges back then, but after the administration imecome in tumeongeleshwa, the students wali understand even if the fee it was high. Right now we thank the government actually because modularized masomo imesharudishwa chini school fees, so it is affordable.
Okay. From my side, joining a polytechnic is more important, especially joining the Nyamira National Polytechnic gives you the skills that can make you compete with other students who have come out of different schools, either universities or other polytechnics.
Kingo reporter Getembe kuraiga se wodi ya Itibo eye gutoka emeye bunge ya North Mugirange County ya Nyamira inje Fatigad December